Question 13. P, Q, R, and S are points on the circumference of a circle, as shown in the diagram. PR and QS intersect at T. Angle QPR is 34. Angle PRS is 41, again as shown in the diagram. Find the size of angle PQS, which is this angle here. Well, that angle is 41. How do I know that's 41? That's the answer to the next question. Give a reason for your answer. Because if I take these 2 points here, the angles that I draw from those 2 points in that sector, so if I join a line P to S, this sector is here. Anywhere where I draw lines from them that are on the circle, like so and like so, these angles here are the same. The rule for that, or the reason for that, is angles in the same segment are equal. So angles in the same segment are equal. B part 1. Find the size of angle PTS. Well, PTS in our diagram is this here. What would be handy to figure out the size of what would be handy to figure out first before we get the size of that angle would be to know what this angle is here. So I'm going to highlight that one actually. I'll call this X, and what we're looking for let's call Y. X happens to be linked to 41 and 34 because of the fact that they are all in a triangle. So let's start with that. 180, subtract, I forgot the numbers, 41 and subtract 34. Or you could add 41 and 34 together first and then take the answer away. That is going to give us 105 degrees. And then because 105 is part of this straight line that I've highlighted there, X being 105, we take it away from 180 to get Y. So Y is going to be 180 minus 105, which equals 75 degrees. Part 2. Explain why T cannot be the center of the circle. So why, or how do we know that that point is not the center of the circle? Well, the rule that springs to mind here is that if it was the center of the circle, let me just draw a separate circle like so, then these lengths here would have to both be radii. So you would have a length here and a length here, and these would both be radii. After which, if we connected those lengths, like so, that would have to be an isosceles triangle with equal angles there. So the fact that 41 and 34 don't match each other means that T cannot be the center of the circle. So all I have to state is that the two angles there don't meet, so aren't equal. So PQT, that's this one here, does not equal QPT, which is that one there. So I'll say that again, PQT, angle PQT, does not equal angle QPT. Therefore, T is not the center. There might be another way of doing that, but off the top of my head I can't think of any. That's my explanation. Done.